In the not-so-distant future, our vehicles will be more than just machines on wheels. They will become intelligent companions, understanding our needs and preferences, and communicating in a way that feels human. This future is already unfolding, and at the forefront of this revolution is Volkswagen, the first volume manufacturer to integrate artificial intelligence into its vehicles. In a groundbreaking move, Volkswagen has announced that it will be integrating ChatGPT, an AI-based chatbot, into its IDA voice assistant from the second quarter of 2024. This integration is made possible by Cerence Chat Pro and extends the capabilities of the IDA voice assistant beyond traditional voice control. ChatGPT will empower users to control various vehicle functions, such as infotainment, navigation, and air conditioning, all through voice commands. But that's not all. Volkswagen aims to provide AI-driven information in response to questions, enhancing conversations and providing hands-free access to a range of vehicle-specific features. Activating the voice assistant is as simple as saying, "Hello, IDA," or pressing a button on the steering wheel. And for those concerned about privacy, rest assured, Volkswagen is prioritizing data protection by deleting questions and answers immediately after they are processed. This integration isn't just about adding a fancy feature, it's about redefining the driving experience. Volkswagen's collaboration with Cerence is a testament to their commitment to innovation and accessibility, positioning ChatGPT as a standard feature in vehicles from the compact segment upwards. But this isn't the end of the road. The two companies also plan to explore future collaborations in designing large language model-based user experiences for Volkswagen's next-generation in-car assistant. This integration of ChatGPT into Volkswagen vehicles offers a glimpse into the monumental potential of AI in the future of vehicles. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it's not a stretch to imagine it being integrated into other modes of transportation, from boats to airplanes, redefining our travel experiences. In summary, Volkswagen's integration of ChatGPT, enabled by Cerence Chat Pro, is set to revolutionize the driving experience. This AI-based voice assistant will allow users to control vehicle functions and access AI-driven information, all while prioritizing data protection. This is a significant step towards a future where our vehicles are more than just machines, but intelligent companions that enhance our journeys. So buckle up, because the future of vehicles is here, and it's more exciting than we could have ever imagined.